Hello and welcome to Quantum IAS. In this video, we are going to watch how you can get 300 plus marks in physics optional if you are giving attempt this year. So we are coming with a program which is Quantum Yodha, and this will be a physics optional crash course plus test series, plus it will contain the element of mentorship also. So before getting started with the program features, course outline, and other things, I would first like to tell you that this program is available in both online as well as offline mode. Offline mode in Old Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. Right? So, second point, first, our aim is to get 300 plus marks in physics optional this year, 23. And the very important thing is here is it is free for students who have qualified CSE prelims 23. So if you are getting any number around 85 plus in your prelims examination, you can enroll for this course, right? So initially what you need to do, it is free, but initially what you need to do, you need to register using 1000 rupee. The link will be given to you and this will be refunded if you write all the test. So this fee is kept 1000 only for those students who have qualified prelims or who will be qualifying prelims this year. 1000 is just to maintain, to check the seriousness of the aspirant, right? So it is free for them, the complete crash course as well as the test series. But if you are not qualifying prelims this year, or you have completed the basics of your physics optional and you want a last minute revision and test series for the optional, you can opt for this course also, but the fee will be 10,000 for those students who are opting this course and who have not qualified the prelims this year, right? So I guess this is clear. The fee is free for those who are qualifying prelims this year, and it is 10,000 for those who are not qualifying prelims this year. Now, one more restriction is there, that in offline mode, we can accommodate only 25 students, right? So this will be on first come, first serve basis. So the sooner you will register for this course, the greater chance for the offline mode for you guys, right? The course is starting from 26 June, that is on Monday, and the class will be from Monday to Friday, and the timing will be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Next, come to the features of this course. So first feature is the comprehensive coverage of all topics, right? All important topics is very important. So what we are going to do here, we are not going to cover the basics here, but whatever the important derivations are there and concepts which are generally left in the classroom program or which are generally tougher to understand, right? That will be dealt in the class itself, right? So we will be having around 40 classes, 3 hours each, right? So 120 hours class will be provided to you, and that too will be a power packed class with conceptual clarity, plus we are going to practice it, right? In the next slide, I will be telling you how the class will go and what will be the component of the class. Next one, we are going to practice 800 plus questions with model answer, right? So first, let me tell you one thing, how the class will go. So every class which is of 3 hours each, 1.5 hour we will have this derivations and concept class. So in this, we will be dealing with the derivations and I will be explaining you the concept, whatever the important for your examination, right? And for the remaining 1.5 hours, we will be solving questions. And that too with model answer. I will be coming with my own answer. So it will be a smooth process. So what happens that after every class, you will be given one DPP, or let's say assignment, and it will be of 15 questions, right? And these questions will be discussed in the class for the 1.5 hours. Even if we have some more time left, we will be discussing more questions in the class, right? So live 2 to 3 questions we will be doing in the class, and the remaining 12 to 13 questions will be given to you as a homework that will be discussed in the next class, right? So now if you count 15 questions and we have around 40 classes, so it will be around 600 questions, right? We have also 10 tests, and each test will be around 20 questions each, so it will be around 200. So if you club both of them, it will be around 800 questions. So we are going to practice 800 questions, that too with model answers. I will be not telling you the solution only, I will be telling you also how, what to write in the introduction, what to write in the conclusion also, right? So minimum of 800 questions we are going to solve in the class, right? So this is about the first two thing, that there will be 40 classes, 3 hours each, and we are going to practice around 800 plus questions, right? Next, all India test series, 10 tests that will be evaluated and discussed. One more thing, whatever the 15th question DPP you are getting every day, you have to write in your question answer format, right? And when you come in the class, let's say we have a class of 15 students, right? So what I will do, let's say A is a student, B is a student, C is a student. So C will give its copy to A will give its copy to B, right? Something like that. And peer-to-peer live evaluation will take place in every class, right? This evaluation is done by me, right? And these 15 questions in every class will be done on the peer-to-peer basis, and that too will be guided by me, that what marks you should give for the introduction, what marks you should give for the conclusion, right? Also after the class, you can come and ask doubt from these questions, or evaluate these questions from me also on a daily basis. That can be possible, right? Again, daily assignment with solution, numericals will be focused here. Again, this 15 questions minimum of 15 questions will be there daily, right? Now next one is short notes, handouts, formula sheet, workbooks. In workbooks, I will be giving you like something definition workbook, right? Something like this. I will be giving a sheet here, right? And I will writing here, let's say wave particle duality, let's say expectation value, let's say Coriolis force, right? And you have to write the definition, so that these workbook will help you in writing a good introduction and in conclusion, right? So these type of exercises will be done in the classes, right? Next one is formula sheet will be given to you, right? So what you can do, we will be making formula sheet in every classes, and at the end of every classes we will be having a formula sheet for the entire module, right? Short notes, whatever I will be teaching in the class, that will be given to you in the form of notes itself. So it will save time in writing in the class, right? I will try to do that. Handout for certain topics will also be given, right? It will help you to write a better answer. Okay. So these are the things that will be given to you in the class itself. One more point, when we are discussing any topic in the class, right, you can ask doubt inside the class as well, right? Now next thing, personalized mentorship, one-to-one mentorship will be available, right? What this means, that you can ask any doubt related to physics option, or other thing if you want to ask, you can ask also, right? But anytime I will be available. Let's say after the class also, you can just you can ask doubt on the WhatsApp. Okay. Next thing is dedicated Telegram and WhatsApp for real-time support. Here what we are going, let's say we are 10 to 15 students. There will be a group of 10 to 15 students in the class. These 15 students will be available for each one of them to make the community grow, right? We will help everyone to make this possible. Now, one more thing, that PYQ of last 10 years, each and every questions will be solved with the model answer. We will be giving the model answer for each and every question of the 10-year. What I can do for what you can do for the accountability, you can just buy the PYQ from the market and you can just tick mark whether I have did in the class or not, right? This you can do, right? Also, this is our latest result for the 22. We have one more result, but he has only enrolled in the course but has not written any tests. So that's why I have not written his name here, right? He's having a good rank also, but he was only enrolled in the course but has not been benefited from the course. He has not written any test, right? So ethically, I should not write his name. That's why I have not written his name, right? So this course is genuinely for helping you guys. It is not for collecting anything. You can ask anything from Ankur. This is a very small community, right? Physics optional. You can ask Shubham, right? How we have helped them to achieve something marks like this, 295. Okay, so the aim of this course is not to get the data of the student and publish the result. You can ask individually any one of them how we have helped them to improve and increase the marks, right? I'm just saying that we have one more student that was enrolled in our program and has got a very good rank in this examination, but we are not writing his name because he has not written any test. And ethically and morally, it's my responsibility to publish every true value things only, right? Now, what will be the class schedule outline that I've already told you that it will be 8-week program, right? Each module 1 week per module, right? So every 5 classes, Monday to Friday, we will having the class, and at Friday you will be having test also, right? I'm giving you the test schedule in the next slide. So Monday to Friday we will be having class. We are going to solve around 15 into 5, 75 plus questions from each module plus this test 20. So around 100 questions will be solved from each module, right? So okay, one more thing, that we are going to start with paper 2. We are going to start with paper number 2, and that too from the quantum mechanics, atomic, and so on. This is the test schedule, right? Test code is not mentioned here. Skip this part. So test number 1, 2, 3, 4, these are from the paper 2. This is from paper 1, and on 25 we are finishing our test, and this will be, you will come, I will suggest everyone to come in offline mode, whether you are doing in online mode. If you are present in Delhi, come to offline mode and give this test, right? Again, the timing will be standard timing of the UPSC examination. In the same day you are giving the both tests, right? So test 1, it is starting from 30th June, right? Next, after every week you will having tests. So the mode of the program is that Monday to Friday we will be studying the courses, we will be practicing the course. On Friday you will have the test and the discussion that we are going to mostly do on the Sunday, right? It will be in online mode or on Monday offline mode. That will be notified to you, right? That doesn't make any sense. So these tests will be evaluated, and you can also get mentorship support on these tests, that you can come and talk about one-to-one on these things, right? So see, this is the course that I have made based on the previous result, inspired from the previous result and programs, the feedback from the toppers that they have given to us. We are coming with this program, right? That in each module, in some topic people have some difficulties, right? They want to ask question, but there are very limited source of asking the question or practicing the numericals, right? So whatever that is required for this course, we are giving in this course. That is at its best, right? So if you want to register for this course, you can register from here, this link, you can register, right? So one more thing, I am putting my 100% in this course, right? And I want you guys to succeed in CSE23 with a very, very good marks in physics optional, right? And for the community, for the sake of the community, because this again I am doing for the community. In none of my video I have asked people or student to share it, right? But here I am requesting all of you to share it. It will not help only those students who deserve to be here, but it will also help those students who are deserving but they are not financially capable of purchasing the complete foundation course, right? In this course, if they have done the basics of the physics or they have done the foundation from their own self study also, right, this will be the final thing that they should do, right? So I request everyone you to please share this link, please share all the concept with the other, let the community grow. This is for the community itself, right? Thank you and have a nice day.